Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you the Myria Airdrop. This is another layer 2 solution, but it's nothing like Arbitrum, Optimism, of those kind of layer 2. This is a gaming and NFT specialized layer 2. We are going to cover, like always, a little bit about the project, and then we go directly to the step-by-step on how to apply to this airdrop. For my research on the project, I am really bullish right now on this project. I think it has a great future, and I like that it's specifically trying to bring the power of layer 2s into gaming and NFTs. So they are really focused in one niche, and I think that is a good strategy. This is not a new project, almost 200k followers on the Twitter account, but they launched it 3 days ago, the possible airdrop. So it's already confirmed, and you are going to be able to participate free and easy. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember that in my website I post every video that I do with a step-by-step, so everything is going to be there. And if you go to the subscriptions, I have a private Discord channel where you can subscribe. Here we manage very high level of information regarding airdrops distribution, portfolio cryptocurrencies and more. And you have my app. I am a developer too, so I created an application that will help you to organize and apply for airdrops. So you can check these videos on how my app works. So check my subscriptions, are really cheap, because the idea is that you enter here and you get a next step in the airdrop hunter path, and you can do that with my app and the Discord. Without anything else, let's get into the video. Guys, the website is myria.com. I think this project is really good. So a brief review about it is that Myria is a scaling solution for Ethereum layer 2 that is designed specifically to handle blockchain gaming, NFTs and other functions. We can compare it a little bit with Arbitrum Nova, which is the second layer, the second blockchain for Arbitrum 1, which is more specifically created for gaming and social media, also for the high performance that you need. So in that aspect is similar to Myria and created in collaboration with Starkware. Myria's layer 2 scaling solution enables instant confirmation of trades and is zero gas fees for NFT minting and trading, and ensures the security of user assets. The Myria ecosystem has been significant growth over the past year, and here are some important points that did achieve it. The Myria blockchain went live, so it's offering instant transactions with zero gas fees and the free NFT minting. They have over 1 million users registered on Myria, over 1 million Zksync NFTs airdropped to the Myria community, launching the Myria Core SDK, enabling developers to bring their ideas to life on Myria. More than 250 gaming projects decided to build on the Myria platform. And you can go to the website, check the ecosystem, and you are going to be able to filter regarding the type of project. But here you are going to see an extensive list of projects that are built on Myria. They also launched a Myria NFT marketplace that went live along the Myria layer 2 wallet, so marketplace wallet, gaming projects building on Myria own video game studio. This is super huge, guys, Myria Studios, and has released Meta Rush in an alpha stage. So they have their own video game studio, and they partner with celebrity cricket player AB de Villiers, launching his play and earn cricket game powered by Myria layer 2. So many big important things, guys. This is a project to pay attention beside the airdrop, but here we are for airdrops and free money, guys. So I'm going to start the step-by-step on how to get the Myria airdrop. Like always in my videos, the first step and the second step is follow them on Twitter and Discord. You are going to need that. So this is mandatory for the next steps. You are going to see why. And this airdrop is really easy to apply, guys. You are going to be surprised how easy is this. Now the step 3, you go to the airdrop app and connect your wallet. So you can click the link here. This is a referral link. You support the channel using it. So going here, you are going to be needed to connect your MetaMask, and here you have some important information. Here you have how it works. So basically you connect your wallet to earn points. When you complete these points to unlock rare key fragments, you can claim your free Alliance Key NFT. This is the airdrop that we are behind this. We don't know exactly the value, if it's a value in tokens or what is the value about this airdrop. Important dates, this was launched in the 23rd of March, so a couple of days ago. It's going to be ended on May 23, and you are going to receive your keys NFTs the 6th of June. So we are going to, of course, get more information about this over time, but I am really happy to know exactly the dates about this, guys. That is not common on airdrops. They are super transparent on what you need to do and how to apply to this, which is basically free. So now you can read the terms and conditions. I already did that for you. There's nothing tricky or weird there. So you just can click and connect your wallet. You are going to be sent to sign this signature request. The login was successful. Now you sign again the request. Register campaign success and login success. You can mute the sound there. Sorry guys, this appears automatically when you're here. So you can mute and unmute. Now that you sign it, you click on continue. Guys, that is already the step 3, that you go to the app and connect your wallet. The step 4 is you complete the task in the interactive Myria app. You need to register an email, a Discord, and more easy stuff to do. I will say that this is very similar like a Crew 3, but in this application, and it's really like a game. So I am really happy with this product. I think this is a great idea. So here you can select one of these 3 primes. So Vector Prime, Federation, you can read the description. So you can select any of these 3 alliances. Click on Join Vector Prime, and here you see a panel with your address on when you register, and here you can see the next rewards that you need. So the first one is 5 points, 15 points, 30 points. So you need to collect all this kind of stuff. Each time that you collect one, it's going to be here in your vault. So to get the rewards, first you need to verify it with one of these emails. You cannot use fake emails, you're going to need to verify the email. After you do that, you continue with this. Joining to the Discord community gives you 5 points. Follow Myria on Twitter, 5 points, and that's on. So you scroll down and you're going to see everything that you need to do. It's really easy to do, guys. I think the most difficult one is the last one, which is reach level 5 on Discord. So to do that, you're going to need to chat a lot in the Discord channel of Myria. That is how you level up on Discord. So I think that one is the most difficult one. But besides that, this is a free airdrop and very easy to do and very interactive too. So really like a game. There's nothing more to talk, guys. So that is step 4. The step 5 is I just put some useful information. If you are using my app on my subscription, you can go to register here to my app or to my Discord. We are actually killing it. I am doing updates on my Discord, dividing the information, the different groups, but we are covering very high level of information about crypto and airdrops. So it's really cheap to enter. From April, I need to say that the prices are going to increase. Already accomplished 3 months since I launched the subscription, so April I'm going to increase the values, because it's not my plan to do a Discord with thousands of people there just chatting. I want to maintain the high level of information, so I'm going to start raising the price to make it more exclusive, because this is only to serious people that want to make money with airdrops and crypto. So I am not really playing with the Discord and my app. I don't want that people have access to the Discord or to my app if they are not serious enough to get into this. So this is a real serious game, and like you know, I applied to the Airdrop of Arbitrum with 12 wallets, so I reached a lot of amount of money and tokens there, and that was thanks to my application. I was able to apply and manage that airdrop very easy with my app, and sharing all the information in the Discord with many other members that knows a lot about airdrops and crypto too. So check my subscriptions if you want to really make money with airdrops and level up in the airdrop hunter path. So in the app you're going to see this as steps. That is why I put it like this, but you don't really need to do anything with this. So the step 5 in the app, you're going to see that is some useful data for the airdrop. This airdrop is the Alliance Keys NFT Airdrop. Again, I am speculating here. We don't know if this is going to be tokens. which are very soon to launch. You can see that Myra is already here in CoinGecko. The token is not launched yet, it's very soon to be launched. You can see information about the token in the main page. Here is a section for the token and everything about the token, so check that. And here again, step 5, complete the quest to earn points, win keys NFT to unlock the Alliance box loot. And remember, there are more points you collect, the rarer and more powerful your Alliance keys will be. Remember the dates: 23 of March started, 23 of May ends, 6th of June you receive your key NFTs. And you can buy a Myra node. This is step 6 if you want. This is of course not free. Here you have the Twitter about that. They are launching the token, so they already are going to be validating the transactions on that. The public Myra node sale is happening soon, so you can check this, register, and be there if you want to enter and validate and use a node there. Of course, you are going to get reward with tokens, so this is a kind of good investment if you believe in the project long term. Validating nodes, generating nodes, this is not like the passive income projects like node projects. This is actually a node on the blockchain to validate transactions. You are rewarded with the tokens. You can read everything about that. It's in the step 6 on my app for this Myra airdrop. Guys, that is all for the video, directly to the point. Myra Layer 2 Gaming and NFT Airdrop. Please follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter, where I cover more things, different airdrops, and other news for crypto, many other things that I can not put in videos. I just will put it in Twitter if I think it's important. And of course, my subscriptions on Discord and the app are the more valuable tool that you will find for airdrop hunters. That will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.